Hello guys, Mark Roden. Welcome back to the channel. And today, it's going to be a very short video actually. It's going to be one of the shortest videos on my channel that isn't like a thank you video. Because I'm going to tell you what your favorite car says about you. Before we get into it, I want to put out there guys, this is all jokes, okay? If I'm offending you, I'm sorry. It's just a joke though, just take a joke, alright? I have a 350Z with an exhaust leak, I can barely drive it, alright? So like, my bumper's not even painted, so you can make fun of me too. It's just jokes, man, alright? But yeah, that's about it. Let's get right into the video. You literally only care about looks, but damn do you know what looks good. You literally only care about speed, but damn are they pretty fast. There's a good chance you're probably the fastest person in your town. You and my dad would become best friends. You and my mom would be best friends. Be honest with yourself here. This one isn't actually your favorite. You just see a lot of people hyping them up, so you think they're cool. You have the best taste in the world. You are the smartest man alive. You definitely get a Baja Blast when you go to Taco Bell. You have a very acquired taste that is extremely rare. Keep doing you though, don't let trends make up your mind because this car is pretty cool. You are the opposite, you go with the trends, and that's not a bad thing. Usually trends are popular for a reason. You live in the ghetto in the late 90s, and the character Ramon from the movie Cars is your spirit animal. You absolutely hate Hellcats with all your heart, and I won't even get you started on Camaros. You enjoy practicality over speed. Also, your favorite quote is, "But if I went FBO in tune, it would be pretty fast." Really, bro? Is this actually your favorite car? Do you just listen to too much Lil Durk and NBA Youngboy? Dude, you are cool. I don't understand how this is your favorite out of all the cars in the world, but either way, you are cool. You have good taste. You just miss the good old days, and you most likely grew up with a poster of this car in your room and playing Need for Speed Hot Pursuit 2. You are a scumbag. You think you're better than everybody else. Nobody likes you. You are the opposite. You know you're not faster or richer than anybody else, and you're okay with that. You are what the car community should be. Alrighty guys, that is the end of the video. What your favorite car says about you, I figured it was due. Alright, I needed to make one because I saw Bladed Angel's video on it, and he's hilarious, and he does it so well, and I was like, I'm gonna do my own take on it, and do my own set of cars and stuff like that, and so I just had to do it. I thought it would be funny. If you got offended, especially the AMG C63 one, that one would make sense if you got offended at it. I kind of came at your throat a little bit there, but guys, just know it's all in good fun. Like, I love literally every single car I mentioned in this video. I love, and I would gladly own one day, all of them, but I'm just saying that there's jokes that can be made about any car, and that's why I didn't include my 350Z, because I know that you guys are going to roast it in the comments anyway, so it's no point. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Short little video for today. If you guys enjoy this, I will absolutely do more, and I'll do more with like different styles, so I can do like JDM cars, muscle cars, Euro cars, you know, stuff like that. And yeah, we'll get them done, baby. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Das Vidania. Have a nice night.